Today we're going to be completing an auxiliary drawing challenge. Our first objective from the warm-up is to create a cylinder. I just used the cylinder command and made a 1-inch radius, which equates to a 2-inch diameter, and uh, made the height of the cylinder 2.5 inches. You could also choose to extrude a circle from sketch mode. Next, we're going back to create a new sketch. And inside this sketch, we want to use the geometry given in the warm-up to create a 1/2 inch up on the edge, the tangent edge of the cylinder. And from that line, we'll go up another 2 inches to reach the top of the cylinder. And then obviously another 2 inches across. This creates a right triangle that we could then just connect with this blue line right here. And that will complete our sketch work. At that point in time, we have a triangle in here that we can extrude. Cleaning up the dimensions so that you can see all of those a little better. And the extrusion just basically slices that entire surface out. By extruding that triangle, we created a 45-degree cutaway. For the purposes of this particular fusion design, you may also choose to create a shell. That's optional, it's not required. I chose to get rid of it ultimately. At that point in time, once you get this far along, you want to create a drawing from design, and you'll say OK to the defaults. It will import it into the drawing menu where you can have a base view. You're going to use projected views with the P command, or you can use the pull down menu to create a top view and also a projected view for the right side. So I'll walk you through that process. There is our top view, and here is our right side view. And at that point in time, we can press enter, and it'll lock in those views for us. Now finally, we start talking about auxiliary drawings. You'll notice these projected views that I just created do not show the cutaway of that cylinder in true size and shape. This is skewed, even though it looks like a perfect circle. This is also skewed, even though it looks like a perfect circle. So to create the type of geometry that we're looking for, we need to have what's called a section view. From the pull down menu, I will click section view, and I will use this as my basis. Once I click the front view, I'm going to be asked to choose a couple of points, and I do want to start at that upper edge and continue down at a 45-degree angle until I get past the object just a little ways. You got to be careful and make sure that you're not going out too far in the other direction. You definitely need to keep it locked in on that 45-degree snap. At that point in time, I can press enter, and it will create my view for me, and I can lock it in right up here. Once I say OK, it's going to complete that section view for me. I'll move the text up a little bit so it's not in the way of the other stuff. And I need to fully dimension with an aligned dimension for today's work. This particular ellipse from tangent point to tangent point. And if I have done it correctly, I should have exactly 2.83. Once you complete your work today, you will output as a PDF. Don't forget to save your progress first and then output as PDF. OK to the defaults. Save your auxiliary drawing in a folder you will remember, and then upload that PDF to the hub. All of these need to be turned in PDF format.